tractor. What's up, Arvon?
I'm going to cut it, I'm going to throw it in the fire.
Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at Jelly Farms. It's been a while since we've done our last video, but you know, everything that we've done, you've seen it all before. So what we're doing, our shed's going to be 12 by 16, and we got a 12-foot straight, pretty straight, mostly straight. I don't know if you get any better than that with lumber. Straight piece of 2x4, 12 feet long, and we're measuring out our shed floor, the floor. We're going to put the floor up on the cinder blocks, and right now we're just kind of going to square it out. So sit back, enjoy, and we'll see you soon. We squared that up and measured the concrete block right there. We measured it, and it was 12 feet, and it was squared. Well, with the other side, we hope. So there's some more fast forwarding. Okay guys, here we are at the end of the thing. May not be able to see it too well, but that's our corner. And we got another corner down there, another corner down there, and another corner right there. We got it all squared out. I think it's like within 3/8 of an inch or so off. But we're here out of square, so that's how it's gonna be. Until next time, guys, live it, love it, share it. We'll see you on the flip side.